डियर व्यूअर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मल्टीटास्क चैनल पर आप सबको खुशामदीद कहती हूँ। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज का टॉपिक है वुमेन राइट्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड मूव माय टॉपिक। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लाइक माय चैनल, सब्सक्राइब मल्टीटास्क एंड शेयर एंड कमेंट्स लास्ट में कीजिएगा। What is women rights? Women rights have always been an important issue in the society of every country. People in the society are not well aware of women rights and their importance. Women seem as weak creature of Allah, but it's the true that the women are one of the best creature of the world. Never underestimate the power of a woman. Being Muslims, women are given great importance and value in Islam. Men and women have equal rights in Islam. Despite of having rights, women are still deprived of their financial, economic, social as political rights. The rights of women in Pakistan as contrasted with the men are alarming hopeless. As to women, the Islamic faith have given women rights that are equal to or more than the rights given in the Old Testament. Pakistan is an independent Islamic country. With guns you can kill terrorists, with education you can kill terrorism. They are get engaged in domestic wars rather than sending their girls to school. Women are thrown acid on their face, burnt olive on their butts. Young girls are raped or forced marriages are some of the intolerable violence against the woman. The best protection any woman can have is courage. Compared to urban areas, in rural areas, young girls are forced to get married even below the age to 16 or 18. In recent areas, few kind of violence were managed by the media and any highlighted the level of violence that have been done to the women in Pakistan. Men and women have roles, their roles are different but their rights are equal. Government of state needs to pay attention to eliminate young girls to focus on the women rights in Pakistan. In modern era, although the ratio of women in education increasing out their rights of being secure and just are still not so developed. It is the responsibility of the state to provide them rights and make their presence strong in the society. No nation can ever be worthy of its existence that cannot take its women along with the men. No struggle can ever succeed without women participation side by side with me. There are two powers in the world. One is the sword and the other is the pen. There is great competition and rivalry between our two. There is a third power stronger than both, that of the woman. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe. Watch my channel. Allah Hafiz.